Hi guys. Today we are going to talk about this topic, that is API and web service. Actually, what is the difference? So today, social media plays a very important role in our day-to-day lives, and we have seen this the what goes behind the internet, how the communication happens. For example, if I want to view anybody's profile on Instagram or Facebook, so what really goes behind the scenes? This is one of the very basic question that we should know as a Java developer, and also it is also important from a interview point of view, because sometimes the interviewer might ask you this question just to know your expertise or to know your concepts. So today we are just going to talk about what is an API and what is a web service, and what are the differences, what are the similarities. So before we deep dive into what the API, what are the differences, but what are the similarities between the API and the web services, we should be familiar with some of the terminologies which we'll be using in while creating a web service or an API. That is XML. The first is XML. XML, as you all know, it is just a mode of transmission of data or storing of the data, which uses certain descriptive tags or elements. JSON is very similar to XML, just that it is a little more object oriented, and it is also used for saving, and it is also used for storing and transmitting the data. HTTP is just a protocol. HTTP methods like get, post, delete, trace, which are used for creation of RESTful APIs. SOAP is again a protocol which primarily works with XML. REST is RESTful APIs, works only with HTTP protocol. Web applications are just nothing but your computer programs which are designed for communication between them. Let's see what are the differences, also the similarities between the APIs and the web services. All the basic, what is the basic reason for an API or a web service is basically communication between the client and the server. For APIs, the network is not important, whereas web services, when it comes to web services, the communication takes place between the client and the server only over a network. So primarily, all APIs are not web services, but actually all web services are APIs. For example, your RESTful APIs. The mode of communication also differs between the two, that is API and a web service. API can use any style of communication, whereas web services only uses XML, JSON, or your RPC protocol style of communication. APIs can be hosted on a web app server or an application server, whereas web services can only be hosted on a web server. So these are some of the differences between the two. So is a REST API actually a web service? Yes, RESTful API is a web service. It's just a architectural style for creating web applications. And whenever any communication happens between the client and the server, the HTTP, it uses the HTTP protocol to make the request from the server. Each request contains the below parameters, that is URL. URL is nothing but the service endpoint. HTTP method like get, post, delete, update, trace. Header is nothing but your content type of that is a mode of a payload, whether it is JSON or XML or file. Parameters is nothing. Parameters is your ID, name, whatever you want to pass. For example, if I want to view somebody's profile on Instagram, I will have to send that person's ID, right? Similarly, body is primarily used for posting if I want to upload any image on my social media account. So all these are basically what a request is made of. So let's see how a REST API works. For example, I'm just giving a basic example. I want to see somebody's profile on Instagram. So how it works is I will have to pass a request from my machine to her to the server. The request will comprise of the method. Since it is, I just want to get information from the server. I will primarily use a get method, the URL, that is the service endpoint, and the parameters, that is the user ID. Similarly, if I want to upload anything, or if I want to post any data onto my Instagram profile, I will make use of the following structure of the request. That is, method will be my post, URL will be my service endpoint, again parameters, like what I want to upload. The caption, primarily I will give my caption as well as an image, and the body will be the actual image. As we saw, APIs are nothing but the modes of communication between two programs with or without a network. Web services are the mode of communication, again, between two programs, that is client and server, over a network. And RESTful APIs are again web APIs which uses HTTP methods, that is get, delete, post, and trace. That's it. So thank you and happy coding. If you like this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.